Hello, this is Miss Heaney. I'm going to show you Today's Science, which is one of the databases that Arlington High School provides. You can find this database on our library website under Databases. That'll direct you to the A to Z database page. Also, it's important that you get our passwords. The database passwords are right there, and you'll need to be logged into your Arlington Google account to see that document. Today's Science is an excellent database providing science news, discoveries, and developments in the science world. It's a great way to connect students to the concepts that they're learning in class to developments in the science world. So before I share with you how to share content with your students, I just want to point out a couple different features that Today's Science has. You'll notice up here the topic index. This is a great way to see what they cover, and you can go to your area and look at the different themes and concepts that are being covered. Also, you'll see here under resources, some things for educators you'll want to check out. Also, a great tool is the videos that are provided here. There are a plethora of videos that Today's Science creates that you can share with students just like you would share any article. And you can browse those by going to this link here, View All Video News Briefs. Conversations with Scientists is also a great thing to investigate. It is basically an interview format, interviewing experts in the field. You have research topics, and then support materials on the bottom. So what I would encourage you to do is look through all of these features and find which ones are most useful to you. When you find content that you'd like to share with your students, there are a few different ways to do that. So you could see up here are all the different features that the database has, and you can see the share button. So when you click on that share button, that's going to pop up this where you can email students. They provided you a record URL or a permanent link to the article, and they have Google Classroom integration. So once you click on that Google Classroom, it'll direct you right into the Google Classroom environment. You will need to be logged in to your Arlington Google account. It'll walk you through which class you'd like to assign this article to. It'll have the title of the article on top, and you'll see this link here. It actually is a login link. Students will need to log in to the database to access the article, but once they do that, it will direct them right to this article. So you have your URL and Google Classroom integration. The third way you might want to share content is by downloading a PDF file. You can download that PDF file, it'll come up, save it on your computer, and then share it in your Google Classroom environment. So that's how to share content in Today's Science. And you'll notice here, right next to the article, you have all this related content that you can use as well. You can see there's a crossword puzzle, an editorial cartoon, many different features that Today's Science has. So that's a short introduction to Today's Science. If you have any questions or you need assistance, please email Mrs. Miller or myself. We have a joint email now, and it's AHS Library Office Hours at acsdny.org. Thanks for listening.